If you've been feeling stiff, awkward, disconnected in your body, in your movements, then the simple hips exercise that I'm going to guide you through today is going to help you rediscover and connect to your body, not just unlocking the hips, but unlocking your feminine confidence also, so that you can walk into spaces, feel seen in the most feminine way, on and off the dance floor. So let's get started. We're going to do a simple figure of 8. So if you're coming from a Kizomba background, this figure of 8 is heard and talked a lot about in Kizomba, but it can be used in all aspects of dance, or even not dance, in your movement to help you feel more feminine and more confident. So you're going to slightly bend our knees a little bit so that you're able to move your hips. So to be able to move your hips, you need to be able to bend your knees a little bit so that your hips have more space to move and places to go. So we've bent our knees. We're going to take the right hip we're going to start with first, and we're going to move it into a diagonal, into that top diagonal, and then we're going to move it backwards. Then we're going to take the hips, move it to the front diagonal, and then backwards, and then we're going to lift the hips. So using this muscle here, so you have to be aware of this muscle here and be able to control it. Lift the hips, then drop the hips back down, and then take it back to the right, so that we're preparing to be able to go the other way. So we bend the knees, take the hips forward on a diagonal, backwards diagonal, forwards diagonal on the other side, backwards diagonal, lift the hips and drop the hips onto the right so we can do the other side. So we're going to take the hips now to the front diagonal, backwards, front diagonal, backwards, lift the hips and drop to the left. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're trying to be here very intentional with our movement, and we're trying to flow, not force our hips, because feminine energy, feminine confidence comes from allowing, not forcing or pushing. If you want to dig deeper into your solo movement and unique style, then my Kizomba Beginners course, Unlock Your Sensual Flow, is going to be right for you. Click the link in the description box to get access to that course and use the code SENSUAL10 for an exclusive 10% off. So I'll break down the counts for you so that you can know the counts. And it's also, we're doing it very slow so that you can complete your moves, not feel forced, not be rushed, enjoy the movement, unlock those hips and unlock your confidence as we're doing it. So we're going, bending the knees. First 2 counts, 1, 2. So I send my hips diagonal. 3, 4, I send the hips back. 5, 6, diagonal, and then I'll lift on 7, and I'll drop on 8. We go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lift 7, drop 8. It's all about having that body awareness of your body and that body control, especially in that muscle in the base of your spine here, to be able to control your hips, because we don't want our whole body moving. Do it from the front. 5, 6, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If this has helped, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos. Comment, let me know. We're growing a community in the comments of any movements or things that you're struggling with, and I can make some videos around that. And if you want to dive deeper into feminine movement and confidence, check the links in the description box below to be able to access my programs or work with me one-on-one. I've been Christina Mckiztosh of Mckiztosh Dance, your confidence through movement coach.